What's up, guys? Welcome back. A while ago I did some filming on the Camaro over there. Never actually got a chance to post it. Never really had a full coherent thing about it. But I figured today would probably be a good time to post up that video and kind of show some of the stuff that's been going on with that Camaro, because tomorrow I'm going to do something really stupid. Before then, Camaro.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm going to take the Camaro down the road. So, I think I take this with me. I'm probably going to be driving down the road like this. Clutching.
Pull pin, shoot, spray.
Huh?
Pull pin, shoot, spray.
As I run away from the car.
Well, good luck.
Yeah. I have a seatbelt. That's how I put the seatbelt in there.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's a lap belt only, but hey, it's better than nothing.
There you go.
So.
All right.
We're gonna, as if it was meant to be there. There it goes.
Get the little cubby hole.
Yep. Some of this.
Brand new seatbelt.
Yeah.
It's even got the plastic on it.
Need that. I might need that, but. Is the insurance paid up? Medical insurance.
Yes.
Do you remember the number for 911?
No.
Okay. Well, not too anything. There's no lights on this car. There's no brake lights. Yeah, but there's no brake lights. Whatever. I can't put my arm out the window. I can't roll the window down. I feel like a red flag and stick out the window and wave around. Like a caution flag on a boat. Help! Whatever. It'll be fine.
It's fine.
Terrible idea.
Everything's fine.
This is a terrible idea.
Going on the street for the very first time.
Hi. You can see me in the mirror. I'll try to see if I can move it a little bit so you can actually see my face, because looking out the back window is not really going to do much for me. Oh, boy. I have a seatbelt. Got my fire extinguisher. Put that right here in my lap. Cell phone's in my back pocket. Steering wheel going on. Oh boy. Ignition. Fuel pump. It starts right up. And fire extinguisher. And we're in drive.
Here it comes down the driveway, which we know has been done before. Is he going to do a burnout? No. All right.
So it definitely takes a little bit of work to push the brakes. And I'm definitely starving the fuel pump if I hit the brakes too hard. So my road is closed that way. There should be very little traffic, if any. So we're gonna go that way down the road. And see, I'm looking for a turn signal and there isn't one.
Here he goes. Good luck.
North, south, east, west, right?
It's on the street. It's driving.
Weird stare from the neighbor. I have no idea how fast I'm going. But I have 3 gears. I don't smell any fire. So, I mean, that's helpful. Let's see if it's got reverse and can turn around. I probably should have checked that before I left. It does have reverse. I can't see anything. I'm probably going to fall in a ditch. But it has reverse. Okay, well, I mean... Alright, back in the drive. And heading back. Makes a lot of noise. I'm not logging because I'm an idiot. So now I'm logging.
I hear him. Here he comes. I'm gonna get a drive-by. Burn out! Burn out! Burn! No. Turbo noises.
I didn't die! More importantly, you did the car. I only got a log for half of it, but it's a start.
Well, how'd she do?
I didn't die.
You did not die.
No power brakes, a little different. The throttle, the return spring on the throttle is not quite as strong as one would hope. So it kind of like you put your foot down a little bit and it just kind of stays there for a second and then it comes back. So getting out of the throttle is a little tough. Little tough. There's definitely a bunch of, you know, smoke and stuff that comes out of those. It makes a nice little heat thing, kind of.
Little mirage.
Little mirage on the windshield, if you will. And it doesn't pull left or right. It kind of goes over bumps. I have no idea how fast I was going. Because I don't have the GPS antenna kind of done. But I didn't need the fire extinguisher.
I see that. I was waiting to hear you kind of getting on it and hearing, "Arr!" and I didn't hear it. And then it felt like you were taking forever.
Did you hear me at all going down the road?
Not as you would think. Like I heard you when you were just out of eyesight. I could hear you a little bit, and then it went away.
Okay.
Like when I heard you coming back, it was like right before you crested over that little hill over there.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Well, I mean, that makes me feel a little better that I'm not like nobody. Oh, I didn't log it.
Perfect.
So I have to do it again. But I want to check everything under the hood now that it's kind of, you know, done that stuff and make sure nothing's on fire over there that I can't see. Fun fact is that you go to hit the brake and it goes. It's like, oh, acceleration enrichment needs a little work. But I didn't log it, so.
Babe.
Yeah.
What happened?
I didn't log it.
What happened? Why didn't you log it?
Because I'm stupid. Because this is the first time I've ever driven a car that I had to really log. That was mine, you know. Yours, I have to log yours every time because I give you a hard time about logging your car. Me, I'm an idiot. We expect stupid things from me. Seatbelt worked fantastic, and the tires are definitely low. So, okay. Attempt number 2. This time, starting a log. Fuel pump. just trying to do kind of a chassis shakedown thing, and I'm still looking for a turn signal, and not looking to actually do any tuning to it.
Wide turn. Puppy's coming to say hi. That was random.
There's also a police officer who lives in that house right there, so while doing this, just kind of driving up and down the road in a car that's completely unregistered, uninspected, no plates, no VIN, no nothing on it, driving like a normal human being probably won't get me into too much trouble. But if I really try to get on it or something, I'm definitely going to get in trouble. So this is not a kind of boost pressure test kind of thing. This is just to see if the car will go down the road. Yeah, that feels pretty good right there. So let's bring it back, check the log out, see what we're looking like.
I hear him. Get it, get it.
Definitely smell some stuff. That's to be expected. Oh, well, stop the log before turning off the car. Okay. Pull out the SD card, see what the log says. Can you help me out?
Hello in there.
I closed the door handle, let me out or into the door.
Oops.
Logged it.
Well, that's good.
Well,
How'd it feel that time?
a little better. Definitely some smells and stuff.
Like exhaust?
I don't know. We'll see. Nothing seems to be on fire, so that's a plus. I don't think I even got in a boost. I think like I got close to zero. Like I was almost out of vacuum in the boost, but I don't think I really did. Because I remembered driving down that way, that as I was turning around, I'm like, oh look, I forgot he's a cop and his cop car's home. I'm like, let me not push my luck.
Yeah, those two doggies were coming to say hey.
Which two doggies?
There was two white dogs that were running up to the road as you were passing, and you didn't stop. I couldn't tell if it was like before or after you, and they right behind you across the street.
Did they really? I didn't see them at all. I was like, so, like, where was that?
Right by, what's the guy with all the cars? Andrew. Right by his house.
You could see that from there?
Yeah.
Oh,
Where I was standing.
Huh?
Where I was standing, yeah.
I didn't even see them.
They saw you.
Yeah, never even opened the wastegates. These pipes are still ice cold. Well, let's take a look at the log. There it is. Not really much of a coherent anything useful, but it's running, driving, and on the road, which it shouldn't be. So next step is to try to take it down a racetrack. So we'll see what happens when we try that. Thanks for watching. See you later.